Hi, I'm Efrain Sanchez, General Manager of Thorbeckes Athletic Club, and I'm going to give a basic tutorial of our pitching machines at the Thorbeckes Sports Complex. So everyone has to watch this video before they're able to use the pitching machine and then sign a waiver so then they're cleared to be able to use it. So a few things, we have both a baseball and a softball pitching machine. They're very, very easy to use, very easy to adjust. So adjustments up and down for the pitching machine is right here. Loosen that, go forward or back, and make sure to tighten back up. And then for the left or right adjustments, just being able to move the machine forward or backwards. And then to be able to turn the machine on, there's just a power switch right here. It will speed up to the allotted miles per hour that you have it. And then once it is to full speed, it will beep, and then you'll be able to put the baseballs into the machine. So a few things with that, just making sure that you are keeping hands clear of the pitching machine. And then pretty much you are trying to get the ball directly in the strike zone, and you're just adjusting the machine until the batter likes where the ball is. So again, just going here, putting it in, getting it into the strike zone. Thanks.